Good morning, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. We're going to talk about the upcoming weather for the next about week or so, and we're also going to look at some seasonal outlook. What we're going to see next 14 days and about next month, see where we stand. Well, temperatures this month are going to be below average anywhere north of North Carolina and the upper Midwest. Precipitation above normal in the eastern United States. What's that mean? We have precipitation. You pull this up and just click it. When we have precipitation like this, it's following a low boundary here. So what will happen is you'll get a low and high here, and you'll have a trough here in the east. So basically like this, where you're going to get low pressure systems come through. Showers and thunderstorms in the East Coast, severe weather. This will be where the boundaries will lay out here. And this is prime spot here in the Dixie Alley area. Back it up, and we take the 8 to 14, and it's a little bit warmer than the next 8. Precipitation still above normal, still looking at the ridging up in the north, and a more interesting situation going on here in the east. Over the month, though, we will see warmer than average, and precipitation will dry up a little bit, and we will get into a warmer period, but stay wet for the next about month or two. So based on that, we'll look at the forecast models, and we'll see what's going on the next week or so. We can see low pressure system here forming in the Midwest. This will actually be bringing the severe weather here to Architects up into parts of Tennessee, with a high pressure built off the coast, keeping Florida nice, and the Carolinas, some rain riding the ridge, and that will cause rain here in Virginia. We then see low pressure here in Arkansas, severe weather out ahead of it. Wouldn't be surprised to see it from Kentucky south, and this will move to the east. So I wouldn't be surprised when we see wind here on the east coast. We have some snow here in Ohio, and that would be by Friday. We get some more snow coming in the north here. We get the dipping trough here in the east. More snow then possible for Minneapolis and parts of New York, West Virginia. And you'll see where this is mainly following this line between the 546 and the 540 line. This is where the storms are going. And with the storms going there, it's going to stay wet here in the east every couple of days. That's something you're going to notice here as we move along. Wet, then dry for a few days, wet again, dry for a few days, wet again. And you see how that operates. It's pretty much the pattern through the 13th of April coming on here. So severe weather in the Dixie Alley area, possibly up at the Virginias. Some light wintry precipitation, Minneapolis, and maybe parts of Ohio and Wisconsin. So it's what we have for the next week or so. We'll talk to you again soon. Stay dry when it does rain. Your Easter looks good here in the east. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching.